Welcome to the future of manufacturing. I'm your guide to the factory process behind our world-class products.
Keep it coming slow. Watch the clearance.
We need the quality control check before we finalize the receipt.
Check the discoloration here against the reference chart.
It seems slightly off standard, Supervisor.
Make sure those stems are completely separated before they hit the conveyor. We can't have any green material in the final product.
This batch matches the premium grade perfectly.
The moisture content looks ideal as well.
Ready for blending.
Check the ratio on feed line 3.
Looks stable, but the latest sample shows we need a slight adjustment on the Orientals.
Increase the cutting clearance slightly, the strands are too fine.
Monitoring the output now. Looks consistent.
Humidity levels are stable in the Virginia blend.
Good. Let production know we're ready to proceed with batch 007. Pressure spike on line 3. Check the flow regulator.
Copy that. Adjusting feed rate now. Keep an eye on silo levels.
Section 4 is clear. Go for main activation.
Acknowledged. Sequence engaged. All systems green.
Quality check confirms parameters.
We have a deviation on Sector 3.
Acknowledged. Check the calibration on the lower sensor.
What is the reading on the gauge?
Diameter is exactly 7.8 millimeters. Quality confirmed.
Look at the color variation on Unit 7. The system flagged it. Reject confirmed. We are exceeding the target for this shift by 5%.
All right, ensure the packaging robots are synchronized for the next batch.
The count on line 3 is consistent. Good, the alignment looks perfect on this sample too.
We need to maintain 150 degrees for this batch. Okay, the temperature is stable now. The quality looks perfect.
Check the seal integrity report on screen 3. Defect 4B, film misalignment confirmed. Yes, the film tension is off on this one. Batch 45 is ready for shipment.
Quality check confirmed.
We're seeing remarkable accuracy on the interlocking patterns.
And the stability checks are all green.
All right, bring that pallet in slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Secured. Moving to the next one now.
The pressure drop on batch 47 is slightly elevated.
Yes, but still within the acceptable range according to the M2 standard.
Alert on line 5. Critical temperature threshold exceeded.
Rerouting coolant flow. We need a team on the floor immediately.
Check the alignment on line 3.
Looks good from here. Output is steady.
Irregularity on line 4. The calibration is slightly off.
Rerouting the sequence. Standby.
Green across the board.
Ensure the pressure gauge is checked hourly and logged on the tablet.
We have an issue with the seal on this pack. Lot number 49B. Copy that.
Holding the line until further notice.
Make sure these labels match the manifest for the European shipment.
Yes, sir. I've scanned them all, and they are good to go.
We're very proud of the work done here at Factory Process. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.